The 2013 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, airbags, 2-ton jack, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks with auto lock feature, interior lighting kit, Secure-Lock anti-theft ignition, PATS, overhead console, cargo area light, interval wipers, tachometer, scuff plates, perimeter alarm, full-size spare tire, rear-wheel drive, dual note horn, split bench seat, tinted glass, removable locking tailgate, tire pressure monitoring system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.